Yeah, so guys, a lot of you don't even know that I'm also into importation, like I'm an importer. So, and aside that, I want to show you guys this particular app, or yeah, this particular app that I use in receiving my payment or yuan, and I use in buying goods. It is called Alipay. You understand? It is called Alipay. As you can see, I've opened it up. Sometimes when you get a client that is probably a Chinese, the client will tell you that, oh, I've seen your work, maybe from a Facebook group. I've seen your work, but I can only pay in yuan. Do you have Alipay? You understand? So aside from using this my account to receive to transact, that is to import goods from China, I also use it to receive payment, which I just feel can be useful to you guys as well. So that's why I'm sharing it, because a lot of you are asking for payment gateways, payment means. So all I do is just to look for means of, okay, let me share means of payment with my people here. So here I will come here and I will check in balance. So as you can see, I have 132 yuan currently. As at yesterday, I have 500 yuan as at yesterday. So I've spent it. As you can see, it says 2023 0308. So I've spent it. Now I have just 132 yuan. So, and I use it in buying goods from China. So for some of you that don't even know, I'm also into importation. Like I import goods from China as well. If you have something that you want me to import from you or for you, or if you have something that yes, you want to buy from China, because I do that as well, I can import for you. You understand? Let me just give you an instance. Let me give you an instance of a particular chair I imported. Let me show you guys. Let me come to messages here. Let me come down here. Okay, this is me and the supplier chatting, and the chair is 15 kg, but that is not the point. The point here is the chair. This is the office chair I imported. As you can see, these are edited pictures, right? So let me show you guys. Sorry, the video is playing already. So this is the chair. As you can see, it even has a leg, whatever, that you can use and rest in. So, and these are the live reviews. There's a whole lot of things about importation. So just in case you're interested in learning importation, you can reach out to me. I teach importation as well, and how to cite good products when buying from China, and how you can buy yourself without an agent or something like that. As you can see, this is the live product of the chair. This one, there is no editing. There is no editing. These are orders. You understand? These are orders as well. There is no editing from these chairs whatsoever. These are live picture, and this shows that this product that I want to buy is a very good product. So guys, that's just what I want to show you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. But if you have any issues with importation, you can reach out to me. But please note, I charge a fee for consultation on importation and to discuss about mini importation. So it is not free, because the knowledge I've acquired, I've been in business for for a very long time. So the knowledge I've acquired is not free. Like I didn't acquire it for free. So don't expect it to be free. But it will also not be too expensive. That is it. So as you can see, this is live video. Sometimes I get orders from people that they pay me and I don't have to use my money to buy. Those are people that trust you. You understand? So if you, sorry guys, I'm trying to, okay. So this is all you can know about how you can use Alipay to receive payment from your clients. That's if you have Chinese clients. Maybe you met them on a Facebook group, and that is the more reason why you have to be active on social media. Some of you say, okay, I now know how to do this, but how do I get audience or clients? go on Facebook group, engage with them, talk, drop a comment, drop what you do. Someone will definitely either chat you up, and there are some Facebook groups that list jobs, like the client will come there and list jobs. You can just look for, okay, UK data entry jobs, UK customer support jobs, US, Canada, something like that. You you get to see groups that are looking for jobs like that, like clients in the groups. So you can just, chat them up. I saw your post on the group, and I'm a customer support rep, and I have done jobs for about 4 companies, although I still consider myself as a beginner, but I think I'm fit for the role. You understand? That is what you tell your client. If he or she is interested, he or she will say, okay, let's see what you can do. How do I interview you? So, okay, let's move over to WhatsApp. You guys will do video call and you get interviewed. So then the next one is payment. If the person is from China, the person will probably tell you that it's either he does bank transfer or he pays you through Alipay. Now, if you have a client that want to pay you through Alipay, just go and download Alipay. It's as simple as that. You download it, you do your verification, but you need an international passport to do verification. If you don't have it, no problem. You can use somebody else's international passport and it will be accepted. But the person have to be there because they will do facial recognition, something like that, and it will be accepted. You understand? So I just decided to chip this in for some people that ask me, okay, you do other businesses. Can you talk to us about other businesses? Because we are all in Nigeria. You understand? Now, on this particular website, there is nothing like MOQ. There is nothing like, oh, okay, there is MOQ for some suppliers, but at the same time, there are some that still offer you a single item. Like they can ship a single item for you down to Nigeria. You understand? So, guys, if you have any issues, please reach out to me. I'm willing to help you. That's why I'm here. And I'm saying this not because I have all the time in the world, but be patient with me because some of you will just message me and you'll be telling me good morning, how's your night, how's my baby. Please, you're free to ask all those things, you're free. But the point still remains that I'm currently busy. So once you chat me up, please do well to go straight to the point. You understand? I will appreciate it more. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel subscriber. Thank you. We love you. See you guys in my next video.